Hey friends, it's Lisa with My Horizontal Plans, and I'm excited today because I received my MakseLife planner order in the mail. I made my purchase on launch day and I just got it now, December 1st, and I actually forget when launch day was. I'm excited. So I currently use my 2020 MakseLife horizontal goal planner, and I wanted to get 2021. And this is the first time I'm seeing this year's planner and the accessories in person. I'm not on any type of PR list, so let me go ahead and open it. So the box says, ooh, those dreams look good on you, which is really, really nice. So we're gonna take the bubble wrap off, and you get a card that says a fresh start, a new beginning, and it's just talking about the YouTube channel, the Facebook group, and also where to find the interchangeable cover instructions. You also receive "Don't be pushed around by the fears in your mind, be led by the dreams in your heart," which is so cute. These are really nice, cute little just cards for inspiration. And a card referencing the artist series. So from what I understand, this year there were 4 covers. 2 were made by in-house artists and 2 were by guest artists. And so you have this first one, which is a watercolor floral by Jess Park. And then you have this other that says "Hold On to Your Visions" by Bobby Brown. And so I know a lot of people were very excited by both covers. One of the things that I purchased is the 15-page functional sticker book. It includes banners, icons, hearts, boxes, bullets, and hearts. So I'm going to quickly remove the plastic on this. And this is my first flip through. Okay, I didn't really use any of these from last year, but I like these little page flags. They're both in bold and pastel, smaller page flags, just random other boxes that are all color coordinated. They're actually hearts. They're not just dots, but they're hearts in various colors, and then these are dots in various colors. So I'm pretty excited about this. All right, I did fall into the must-have a interchangeable cover trap. They're just so pretty. I liked them all, honestly. But I did pay the $10 extra to get this color stripe, which I thought that maybe at some point throughout the year that I would change into. It's gorgeous. I like it a lot. And I'm excited that I got it because I know these potentially were going to sell out. So now we have the planner. Let me just try to remove this without showing you my address. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. I went with the watercolor florals in horizontal. I mean, the name of my channel is My Horizontal Plans. Wouldn't that just be something? But this is gorgeous. I love this. It is so pretty in person. I think this particular cover, hands down, I mean, it's my favorite. And considering that it was the first one to sell out, I think was a lot of other people's favorites as well. But yeah, so here's the 2020 planner. I will be working on my goals at some point. I did go ahead and order from Planner Kate stickers to change all of my months from a Sunday start to a Monday start. I did that for 2020 and it really worked well for me, and I want to continue that. And here is what a horizontal spread looks like. It's a lot more bold. The thing I love the most is the fact that they took away the alternating gray boxes in the horizontal. I don't understand personally why they did that. I mean, it was the first year of the planner, but I am very pleased to see that they took that away for 2021 and that we, as the horizontal planners, we have complete white space to go ahead and plan out our weeks. And, nice bold dates. They moved the heart, the gratitude heart, from over here in the bottom left to over here in the bottom right. And other than that, I am going to be flipping through, off camera to kind of understand the changes. Ooh, I like that. Having week, let's see, week numbers. Okay, I actually use week numbers a lot in my professional life, so it will be great to know that, like, hey, we're in week 26 or we're in week 48 or something like that. So I'm pretty excited by this planner and the changes that I know of so far, and I can't wait to explore and learn more about the planner once I get to really just sit and play with it. So those are the things that I purchased on launch day from MakseLife. That was the planner, an interchangeable cover, and this sticker book. And on the surface, first impressions, I'm very happy with all three purchases. If you liked this video or found any of the information helpful, please think about giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing. Or if this is on Instagram, just follow. And until next time, guys, I hope you all stay well. Bye.